Ever felt that the assistant menu icon is sometimes distracting or too faint to notice? Let me show you how to make it more transparent or solid on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity, tap Assistant menu. Here, find the transparency bar, slide it to the right if you want the icon to be blend into the screen more, or slide it to the left if you want it to be solid and always visible. For example, if you are watching videos a lot, setting the icon to around 80% transparent helps keep it visible without blocking the view. So, adjust it to the level that fits your daily use best and make the assistant menu more comfortable for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.